So you want to join us in Thailand right now, but you aren't sure exactly what the process entails. The good news is it got a lot easier. Test and Go is back, but it's a little bit different than the first time it was around. You need 3 things before your Test and Go application starts. First up, your vaccine. Get your QR code ready and get that to be submitted as well, and hopefully you'll get instantly approved like we did. Number 2 is going to be your hotel. You have to pre-book your hotel for day 1 and day 5. Now there's a PCR test that's going to be required after day 5 as well as after day 1. And on top of that, contact the hotel directly for day 1 especially. They'll be able to set up your transfer and your PCR test for you. Number 3 is going to be insurance. They require $50,000 worth of coverage here while you're in Thailand. Then you're going to start your Thailand Pass application with all those things in hand because they're going to require you to submit the paperwork showing proof that you have all that. And then you should get your QR code sent to you, print that all out, and then get your PCR test done within 3 days before departure to Thailand. Bring all that to the airport with you to check in, and then you can join us. See you in Thailand soon.